Hello students, all of you are again welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, that is Science Guru Circle. And today I am here with a new topics of class 8 maths, that is chapter 6, square and square roots. Dear students, if you remember about my first video from this chapter, that is on that video I have discussed about that what will be the unit digit of the square of any given number, or what will be the unit digit of the square root of any given number. So I hope that one will be clear to you. Now today in this video I will discuss about the how to find out the square roots by the repeated subtraction method. I will discuss about the repeated subtraction method, what is the repeated subtraction method, and another one I will discuss about the for any given number find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so that we will get the perfect square, or find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so as we can get a perfect square. So all these three things I will discuss today in this video. First of all, I will discuss about the repeated subtraction. What is repeated subtraction? Dear students, when any question you get like this, that find the square root of any given number by the repeated subtraction method, you remember that when you have to do the subtraction, and what you need to do the subtraction, that is you will start from the 1. You will start from the 1 and all the odd numbers, all the serial consecutive odd numbers you will subtract from the given number till the result is 0. I will show you one. As for example, if we look at the exercise 6.3, question number 3, that is given, find the square roots of 100. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by repeated subtraction method. How to find out the square root of this 100 by repeated subtraction method? So given number is what? Given number is 100. Given number is 100. Question number 3. Given number is 100. We have to find out the square root of this number by repeated subtraction method. So we'll start now. We'll subtract 100 minus 1. That is, we are getting 99. Then 99 minus 3, we are getting 96. Then 96 minus 5, we are getting 91. 91 minus 7, we are getting 84. Then 84 minus 9, 84 minus 9, we are getting 75. I say that we will do the subtraction till the result is 0. I told you that we will do the subtraction till the result we get 0. We get 75. Then next will be 75 minus, up to 9 we have subtracted, so next number will be 11. Next number will be 11. 64. Then next 64 minus 13, we are getting 51. Then 51 minus 15, we will get 36. Then 36 minus 17, 19. Then 19, next odd number is 19, we get 0. Look, in the last the result we are getting 0. So we will do the subtraction from the given number. We will start from the 1. We will do the subtraction, the consecutive odd numbers, we will do the subtraction till the result we are getting 0. When the result is 0, when the result is 0, our calculation is done. Now we have to find out what is the square root. To find out the square root, how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the root over 100, that is square root of 100 equal what? 10, because we have subtracted what? 10 odd numbers. How many odd numbers we have subtracted? That one you need to find out. We have subtracted 10 odd numbers, so that the square root of 100 is 10. This is without the prime factorization method or without the division method. We can find out the square root of any given number, and this process is known as the repeated subtraction method. For any if the number is a perfect square, if the number is a perfect square, for any perfect square number you can do this process, you can find the square root of the given number. But remember here, if it is not a perfect square, the result you will not get 0, so that you cannot find out the square root of that number. Okay, so this is how to find out the square root of any given number by the process of repeated subtraction. Now next we will discuss I will discuss here about that find the smallest number for any given number. Find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square. As for example, if we look at the question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, sub question 1. Question number 5, sub question 1. Question number 5, sub question 1. The given number is 252. The given number is 252. We have to find out what? We have to find out the smallest whole number by which this 252 should be multiplied, so that we will get a perfect square. So we can understand that the given number is not a perfect square. Given number is not a perfect square. We have to multiply a whole number with this 252, so that the result will become a perfect square. So how to find out this one? To find out that whole number, we have to do the prime factorization method here. 252 will do the prime factorization method. The number is divided by 2, 2 12 24, 1 12, 2 6 12. Again divided by 2, 6 3. Now divided by 3, 2 1. Again divided by 3, 7. So that we can write that 252. 252 equal, we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now if we are trying to find out the perfect square, look, for perfect square, two numbers should be matched. So two numbers of 2 from this makes these two numbers of 2 makes a pair. Two numbers of 3 makes a pair, but this 7 is alone. This 7 is alone. So we need at least one more 7 here. We need at least one more 7 here, so that the whole number became a perfect square. So what we can write? Therefore, to what is the required the smallest number? The required smallest number is 7. The required smallest whole number is what? The required smallest whole number is 7, by which we can multiply 252, so that the new number will become a perfect square. This is one. Now if the question is find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. Now in case of division, look, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Two numbers makes a pair, two numbers makes a pair. Again 7 is alone here. 7 is not making a pair, so that we can say that the smallest whole number, that is 7. Smallest whole number, that is 7, by which we can divide 252 to get a perfect square. So this is the process how we can find out the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square, or by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. Now one more example, we can see one more example. As for example, if we take 180, question number 5, sub question 2. Question number 5, sub question 2. The given number is 180. The given number is 180. The given number is not a perfect square, and we have to find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square, or by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. So we will do the prime factorization method. 180 divided by 2, that is 90. Again divided by 2, 45. Divided by 3, 15. Divided by 3, 5. So that we can write 180 equal 2 into 2, then 3 into 3, then 5. Look, two numbers makes a pair, two numbers makes a pair. This 5 is alone, so we can write that to make it a perfect square, we have to multiply 180 with 5, so that one more 5 will be there, so that the number will become a perfect square. We have to multiply 180 with 5 to get a perfect square. Or if the question is by which it should be divided to get a perfect square, so our answer will be we have to divide 180 by 5, so that this 5 will not be there. This 5 will not be there. We have to divide 180 by 5 to get a perfect square. So it's very simple how to find out the smallest whole number by which it should be divided or by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square. I hope this is helpful for you, and dear students, my request is when you are watching this video, you can take your copies and pens and you can practice along with these examples. You can practice from your books also. I hope this will be helpful for you, and if you get little benefit from this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Science Guru Sir Olaf. And thank you for watching this video.